Hey guys, we're doing some super easy chicken fried rice tonight. We're going to use frozen vegetables, rice, minute rice. I already made it. It's in the fridge right now on a couple pans. I'll show you that later. And chicken, just chicken tenderloin. We're going to cut it up as we cook it. So we'll be right back. All right, so we got some chicken tenderloins. So I'm just going to move them around a little bit. You've cooked chicken before, so I'm not going to show you the entire thing. Right now we got about medium heat. A little pepper. And some salt. Now these are going to be easiest to cut once they start cooking up a little bit. So I'm just making sure everybody's got their space to cook up a little bit. And we'll be right back once we can flip them up. So right now we're just getting things cooked up. We should be able to cut them up pretty soon. Pretty easy. Add some more salt and pepper. A little oil for fun. All right, we're about ready to cut these up. I'm not going to make you watch all of it. So, spatula, little guy. This could be a knife or it can be whatever this is. This was $5 on Amazon. So I'm just cutting up. And now that they're cooked, they're super easy to cut. So let me finish these guys up and we'll be right back. All right, so I got all the heat going to low. Mixing these up, making sure they're all done. And you cut these up to whatever size you want to have. And then this guy's off over here, so I'm just gonna put them all over to the side. And now let's get the vegetables. All right, so we're just using mixed vegetables. Got 2 of them, frozen. Actually, I put them in the fridge a couple hours ago. That way they weren't just blocks of ice. A little salt and pepper on these guys. Throw a little oil down too. And then just mix them up. Again, we're at about medium-low heat. And these are frozen, so you want to cook them up so you can brown them a little bit. Thaw them out, at least. So just mix them up. Make sure everybody gets a turn. And they're already feeling like they're not frozen anymore. So I'm gonna lay everybody out again. Let this sit a minute. Okay. All right, I'm gonna add some more salt and pepper real quick. These guys are browning up a little bit, which is kind of what I was aiming for. All right, let me mix them up. All right, good. Oh, we lost a couple guys. Move them all over to the side. One big party over here on the side over here that's off. All right, let's get the rice right here. So I made 6 cups of minute rice earlier. Put it in the fridge. This is 3 cups. If you make it and then put it in a pan in the fridge for a couple hours, it's not going to be all clumpy on you. Here's the other 3 cups. All right, so first, right off the bat, kind of spread it out a little bit. And it's kind of dried out a little bit on the griddle here, so we're gonna add some oil. A little bit of oil. So everybody's happy there. Of course, salt and pepper. This pepper comes out kind of slow, which is why it looks like I'm overdoing it with the pepper, but I'm really not. See there you go. Now you see it. And also we're going to use a bit of soy sauce. And now we're just going to kind of mix it up a little bit. And we just kind of want to brown it up a little bit here. But see how it's not clumpy? That's because we put it in the fridge and dried it out a little bit. This is, again, just regular old minute rice. So I'm just going to kind of flatten it out. Going to give it a minute to heat up and cook. All right, so these are good. You've got some nice crispy guys underneath. See these? You don't want to throw those out. You want to use them. Scrape them and mix it in with what you got. All right, so now we're going to mix this stuff in. Let's go ahead and mix it in. Sorry, different video. We'll use these. We're gonna use these to mix it in. Mix everything together. So now we're just bringing it all together. And you know what else we're going to do? At the very end here, we're going to add some sesame oil. I've read somewhere, I don't know if the person knew what they were talking about or not, but you add a little sesame oil just right at the end for some reason, and it makes a world of difference. So now we're just mixing it all up. And we're good. So let me get a big bowl, and we'll try this out in here in a second. All right, guys. So this turned out awesome. Quick and easy, right? That's my motto from now on. From now on, quick and easy is my motto. So what did we do? So earlier today, I made 6 cups of the minute rice. That was super easy. Boil some water. 6 cups of water, boil it. 6 cups of rice, fluff it up, move it off to the side. Good. And then you saw I put the rice in the pans. That's super important. Well, not super important. I mean, you can still make it, but it makes it so much easier. So take your rice, spread it off on a baking pan, put it in the fridge at least an hour before, and you saw it came off. It just like rolled right off. It's not chunky, it's not clumpy, it's not lumpy. It's 3 words that kind of rhyme together. So it was super easy to mix up. It's not clumping around or anything. So, and then you just need soy sauce, a little bit of sesame at the end, salt and pepper the whole way through on the chicken. Cook up your chicken before you cut it. Makes it so much easier. Vegetables, I mean, you can do whatever you want, but lately I've just been doing these frozen vegetables. They're awesome. Let me give you a close-up on this. It's pretty good, right? So let me take a quick bite. Make sure we get some chicken in there. There's a carrot. We got a green bean on there. Yeah, it's awesome. So, yeah. I mean, use fresh vegetables if you want. But I mean, it's super easy just to grab the $2, mixed vegetables. You're good to go. So, yeah. Again, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Keep an eye out for that steel video, for the chainsaw video. It's gonna be awesome. So I've already cut down 2 trees. So I'll try to find something else to cut down because I didn't record any of that, of course. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Comments below, please. I don't get enough comments. A lot of you guys do, but I need more. Comment below. See you next time.